वेलकम बैक टू आवर पॉडकास्ट। माई सेल्फ डॉक्टर स्वास्थ्य बुदौलिया। आज हम बात करने वाले हैं एवरेज नंबर 1052-145 ड्रग प्रूविंग और सेकेंड पॉइंट नेसेसरी फॉर क्योर। नाउ 105 investigation of pathogenetic power of medicine or knowledge of instrument. Second point of business of physician is to acquire the knowledge of instrument. Investigation pathogenetic power of the medicine. Now 106 knowledge of medicine. The whole pathogenetic effect of several medicine must be known so that we may select suitable remedy for the most natural disease. Now 107 why drug proving on sick. 108 drug proving on healthy individual or single medicine moderate dose in healthy person should be given to observe by their own body and mind. And footnote, Haller saw the necessity of drug proving beside Hahnemann, but Hahnemann was first to conduct it. Now, average number 109. Hahnemann was the first person who proved drug on healthy human being. On credit to Dr. Hahnemann. Footnote, first medicine drug proving was recorded on Fragmenta de Barbaris Medicamentorum Positivis Sino Corporis Observatives in 1805, volume 1st to volume 6 of Materia Medica Pura and Chronic Diseases, first edition, second edition of Chronic edition, Chronic Diseases, 5th part. Average number 110 allopathic effect of drug on healthy person or poisonous effect of large doses of poisonous substance recorded by previous authors but proving symptoms. These furnishes the first rudimentary of true pure materia medica. Now average number 111 agreement with poisonous drug effect. Each medicine produces morbid changes on healthy human being according to fixed eternal law of nature. Now 112 primary or secondary action of the drug. Moderate dose seldom or hardly produce secondary action. Small doses produce no secondary. 113 narcotic medicine or explanation of narcotics. The secondary action should be recorded because primary action or first action sometimes take away sensibility, sensation or irritabilities. Now average number 114 primary action in moderate doses. 115 alternating action. 116 prove drug on groups and not an individual. Some symptoms are produced more frequently in many individuals, other more rare in few persons, some only in the few healthy bodies. Now 117 idiosyncrasies, peculiar corporeal constitution, otherwise healthy process dispositions. Footnote, example of idiosyncratic substance. Second footnote, use of these substances in cure malaria, porphyrogynetia, restore her brother's election from the fainting by sprinkling rose water. 118 Every medicine produces different type of symptoms peculiar to them. Footnote: this fact also perceived by the A.V. Heller, Albrecht von Heller. Aphorism number 119: individualization drug action. Or footnotes, surrogates. Aphorism number 120: careful drug proving. Aphorism number 121: drug doses for drug proving or doses in drug proving. Strong heroic substance produces change in small doses, even in roasted person. Milder considerable quantities. Weak substance used in those free from the disease and delicate irritabilities and sensitivities. Aphorism number 122: prove simple drug. Aphorism number 123: method of preparation of medicine for drug proving. Medicine must be taken in perfectly simple, unaltered form. Indigenous plants, exotic substances, salts and gum, weak dry substance. Aphorism number 124: single drug proving. Medicine must be employed quite alone, perfectly pure, without taking any foreign substance or medicinal substance. 125: diet must be destitute of species or drug proving diet. Footnote number first: young green peas, green French beans, carrots, boiled potatoes are allowed in proving according to 6th edition. Footnote number 2: we should not take pure wine, brandy, coffee or tea. Aphorism number 126: qualities of prover. Aphorism number 127: medicine must be treated on both male or female to obtain sexual symptoms. Drug proving on both sexes. Aphorism number 128: prove only dynamic drug. Potentize rouses the dormant hidden power of the drug into activity. Aphorism number 129: small doses. Aphorism number 130: order of succession of symptoms. First dose acts recorded symptoms. Genius of medicine. Now, administering sufficient strong doses at commencement of the proving help to know order of succession of the symptom, which are very useful in leading to knowledge of the remedy. Now, aphorism number 131: increasing the dose. From commencement of proving help to know the pathogenetic power of the medicine in general manner. No order of succession. 132: drug proving of weak medicinal substances. Action of medicine unknown. Weak medicinal substances mildest nature are known by this way. 133 aphorism: through drug proving. Exact character of the symptoms obtained by observing various conditions of the aggravation and amelioration. Now, aphorism number 134: drug proving on many persons. All symptoms peculiar to a medicine does not appear in one person, nor at all once, nor in the same experiment. 135: confirmatory reproving. A medicine is thoroughly proved when numerous observations done in both sexes, various constitution on subsequent observation, same substance, same symptoms appear which already appear in others. Aphorism number 136: all symptoms of the drug cannot be noted in one person. Tendency to excite all symptoms of a drug to all constitutions in similar morbid condition. 137. Comparison of large and moderate doses. Excessive large doses primary actions comes in a hurried manner. What? Moderate doses with certain limit, more distinct primary action. Now, aphorism number 138. Alteration in health during drug proving. Aphorism number 139. Illiterate prover or experiment must note the sensation, suffering, accident, changes in the health with exact time of duration. Footnote. Proving depend upon the trustworthiness of experimenter. Aphorism number 140. Experiment cannot write, we must inform the physician every day. Experiment cannot write, he must inform the physician every day. 141. Ideal prover, physician himself. Footnote. Proving. Advantage of proving on physician himself. All changes in healthy and most appropriate noted. Physician is trained to be a good observer. Slightly indisposition caused by taking medicine is not injurious to health. Body become more expert in repelling all external inimical forces, all artificial and natural morbific noxious agent. Health become more unalterable. He become more robust. Aphorism number 142. Investigation of effect of the medicine. Footnote. Symptoms during disease condition which have felt a long time previously or never before are medicinal substance. Symptoms. 143. True Materia Medica. A volume of book contain a considerable number of the simple medicine of this real, pure, reliable mode of action. Footnote. Proving of unknown by paying money gives doubtful information and loss all values. Aphorism number 144. Building of Materia Medica or everything's conjectural, more ascertain or imaginary thinking should strictly exclude the Materia Medica. Everything should be pure language of nature. 145. Considerable store of proved homeopathic medicine can be suitable morphic analog for every malady in the world. Allopathic medicine alter and aggravated chronic diseases, retard of the recovery of acute diseases, all frequently in danger of life, and remedy information. Footnote. Hahnemann was the first person who made proving along with his disciples accurate and trustworthy observation by experiment on themselves enrich the Materia Medica so that the healing art will be near mathematical science in century. Now, thank you.